Welcome to Dental Health, sponsored by Clarksville Smiles. We're here with Dr. Richard Ribeiro. Hello, Dr. Ribeiro.
Hi, Julie.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. Thank you for joining us. People are always wanting to improve their smiles. What do you offer in cosmetic dentistry?
You know, Julie, with cosmetic dentistry, we can do a lot of different procedures, from veneers to cosmetic bonding to even bleaching their teeth.
And what are veneers?
You know, veneers are a conservative way to help change the color of your teeth, to help change the shape of your teeth, and also to help change your whole smile. So if a patient's unhappy with their smile, if they're unhappy with their shape of their teeth or the color, we can conservatively utilize veneers as a procedure to help enhance their smile.
And have a brand new, beautiful, white, youthful smile.
Absolutely, you know.
Very nice. What if someone were to have an accident and break a tooth?
Well, when a person has an accident, you know, first we have to determine, you know, how much of the tooth is missing or damaged. That helps us decide what procedure to do in cosmetic dentistry. We always want to be most conservative in doing the procedure. So the more healthy tooth structure we can keep, the better off the patient is long term.
Sure. And what is the lifespan of a veneer?
You know, with proper maintenance and care, veneers or crowns can last a lifetime. Sure. But the key is maintenance.
Absolutely, just like a regular tooth.
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, can you tell when someone has veneers?
For many years, crowns were done and they had a metal backing in it.
Right.
The metal backing doesn't allow for, you know, light to shine through the procedure or through the crown. So new techniques have been developed and we're able to utilize conservative tooth-colored materials in place of the metal, so that when you do a veneer, light shines through it, which makes it look very natural.
And bright and white. That just sounds amazing. So how would one decide what cosmetic dentistry procedure they would like to have?
First thing you need to do is make an appointment with a dentist that they're very comfortable with. You know, when they come to our office, we want to take the time to go over with them what they're looking for. The key to smile is what the patient wants, not what the dentist wants. So once we're able to determine what they're looking for, then we can create the smile that they've always wanted.
Sure. I know that whitening is one of the best ways, easiest ways to make your smile more youthful. Do you all offer tooth whitening here?
Yeah, there's a lot of different techniques. You know, there's a lot of over-the-counter products that patients have that they can utilize to bleach their teeth. We're able to utilize those products as well as custom-made products that we have here in our office to help patients decide what's best for them. So usually the best thing is for them to make an appointment, you know, have their teeth evaluated, and then together we can determine what is the best procedure for them to do.
Sure. Lots of people talk about sensitivity with the bleaching products. What all do you do about sensitivity?
Well, to combat sensitivity, the bleaching products that we provide help reduce that or help eliminate that. So there are techniques that we utilize that help patients combat the sensitivity problem.
I know lots of people would love to have that new youthful smile makeover, but are fearful, like many of us are, to go to the dentist. What procedures do you all offer to your clients to combat that fearfulness?
Well, alongside with utilizing local anesthesia, you know, to numb the teeth, we're able to utilize conscious sedation, and that helps patients reduce their anxiety.
Okay, great. Now, if I choose conscious sedation, will I remember anything, or what will that process be? Well,
with conscious sedation, you know, the patient takes a pill the night before, and usually one the morning prior to the procedure. This allows them to have that anxiety reduced or eliminated so that they're comfortable coming into the office. And along with that, they don't have a lot of memory. So they're able to have the procedure done that's necessary, go home, sleep, and wake up in the morning feeling comfortable
and looking great.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's amazing. Well, that is great information for all of us wanting the confidence and health of a beautiful smile. And we thank you for sharing that with us. And thank you so much for joining us here, Dr. Ribeiro, at Clarksville Smiles. They're located on Memorial Extension, right across the street from Richview Middle School.